Our Green Shape core collection expresses what we imagine the future of sustainable outdoor gear to be. It is multi-use, unique and eco-fair. Like 90% of the materials we are using are either bio-based, recycled or pure natural materials. We want to show that it's really possible to also make outdoor fashion green and eco, not just like standard fashion, even if we have this very strict requirements for our materials. We want to show that it's possible to make them eco-fair. We really hope that in 10 years more brands will have sustainable materials like we have and will process them with eco-friendly manufacturing and fair working conditions to a collection like we have it already now.